Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have to leave for work like right now. Today's video is another DIY and it's also another nail video. That's right, today you are going to see me execute a DIY gel manicure. So my last nail video was DIY acrylics with the Beauty Secrets acrylic kit. I will link it below if I remember to link it below. I like today's video a lot because this method is a lot more neat, clean, also way easier and convenient, cheaper as well. So I will be showing you guys the process of my DIY gel nails today with the tips. I have fake tips on as well. Hopefully I will give you an update in a couple days as to how they held up. I did these last night and they are still fully intact today. So if you guys want to see how I did this manicure all on my own, then just keep on watching. I think I'll go take a stroll for a while. To start off, I'm just removing my old nail polish, which is pretty common sense with nail polish remover and a cotton ball. And then I'm going to whip the kit out. This is a Broadway Colors Gel Nail Kit. Retails for about $7. This nail file did not come with the kit, but I am just buffing like my nail surface to start off. It tends to help the product, like the gel or the acrylic, stick to the nail better. And this is also not in the kit. This is a nail prep dehydrator that I have, and I just chose to put some of that on my nails real quick before getting into the kit. So here are these lovely handy dandy tips that come with the kit. Pretty much I'm just going to fit them to my nails and get them all ready to go, all 10 nails, so that I'm ready. I'm sorry, I suck. Just getting them ready to be glued on. And then here's my glue. Now this kit did not come with glue, so please take note of that. I did have to use a nail glue that I already had, but I'm just going to go ahead and glue all those tips on. These nails have the little tab on the front that comes off, so it does make it a little easier to glue them on, and then afterwards you're just going to twist or twist them right off. And then I'm going to file just a little bit to smoothen out that area. Okay, so now I am taking the gel, applying it to my nail, and then right after I'm putting the gel activator on, and then another layer of gel, and I'm just going to do that to all my nails. This is really easy, it's not very messy, and yeah, that was my little snack. But yeah, after that dries decently, I'm just going to start painting over it with my really pretty sparkly LA Colors nail polish. It's like a really pretty teal sparkly, and I'm gonna do 2 layers, of course. So there you have it, guys. This is the finished product. Very beautiful, very professional looking as well, and that was actually pretty easy. Hey guys, so it's about 2 days after doing my nails, and I did have one tip break off, but that's it. The rest of them are still pretty much intact. So I feel like I am having a lot better luck with these than I do when I do DIY acrylics. So that's just a little update for you. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.